In the last video, previous day, we talked about the difference between the theoretical knowledge and the experiential knowledge. And I told you the example regarding how the people get delusion in their own theoretical knowledge. You know, I had one student, I will give you his example. He was like, he came to me for a mentorship. And I said him, bro, see, you are already in game, you are already know a lot of various gurus, various programs you have been, various courses you have also been there. And trust me, if you think that you are looking for some kind of magic pill, it doesn't work like that. We will try to first unlearn something, and then whatever I will tell you, you have to just go there and implement. He said, okay. I said him, how many days do you go nightclubs? He said, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't, so what I will do in nightclub? Well, it doesn't matter. We are at a learning mode. Go to the nightclub, best nightclub, pay the stacks, have a pizza there, and come. Then I asked him for the update at the night. He was like, no bro, I was studying crypto. Allah, arey, what happened to him? He's studying. Then another day I messaged him, bro, have you went out? We had a conversation regarding the day game. He was like, yeah bro. I was like, bro, you're not getting. No matter how much information you are trying to pour yourself in the mind, if you don't go and experiment yourself, you will be in delusion. You know, it will create a mental chaos in your life. You will see that the outer people are having amazing time and you are still in your own mind analyzing everything, analyzing different techniques and strategies of game. What is shit test, what is frame control, what is blah and bullshit. Experiment yourself. You know, at 2018 and 19 when I was in game, and 2022 I met one guy in Pune, and this guy was there with me, and there was another person who was like a little bit more into action mode, but he was not theoretically that good. So that guy was doing something and coming to me and saying like, give me feedback. But the another guy who was lot too much in theory, he's like, इसने ऐसा सही नहीं किया, इसने ऐसा करना चाहिए था, इसने ऐसा करना चाहिए था. मैंने बोला ब्रो तू कर ना, तू कर. नहीं यार वो, मैंने बोला bro, this theory is going to screw you. Trust me, the type of knowledge that he is getting from a practical experience. And what you are doing is you are analyzing intellectual stuff and judging it, and you are thinking that you are becoming smart. I had another student. He came for me for a boot camp, and I was like, okay bro, let's come and start with the basic warm-ups. We will do something. And then I had approached few people. Conversation was good, and I said, now you have to do. He said like, yeah, I understood. Mala, what do you understood? Now you have to experiment it. No, I got it. Like, this is type of thing that you have to open. Mala, bullshit, man. Bullshit. You're bullshitting yourself. No, with observation I can understand. And he was a person who was trying to get something which he hasn't done. And that's where there is a major loophole between understanding things with theoretical perspective by just having a perception and actually doing it. If you don't do it, and just no matter how much affirmation you do, how much reading you do, how much visualization you do, but if you don't test it in field, nothing has changed and nothing will change. You will remain the same person. And I told that student, you know bro, who are the most intelligent people, who are the most well-read people, who knows everything about the business, everything about the entrepreneurship, are the college professors. And if you see there are the other people like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk and other people, they have experimented themselves. The college professors are sometimes the more intelligent than them. But the only problem with them is all theory. Experience is something very different, and sometimes theory is your limited perception from the reality you are coming. I'm not discarding the importance of theory, but theory and practical approach needs to be balanced in life. If there is not a balance between both of them, it's likely to create a huge chaos in your own mind. Stay tuned and have a great day.